Hey guys, I'm showing you this Panasonic nose hair trimmer. So you can use this is a Panasonic model, a small factor one, battery operated. And let me just open the box and show you it. So I bought this for my personal use and I'm just trying to test and try and making the video out of it. So this comes with a brush and the trimmer itself and the manual. So the shape is really nice, very handy. Um, and this can also be used under the water to wash or clean. So this required one triple double A battery, and this is the trimmer. So let me just open it. So once I open this, you can put in a double A battery, and then this just lock it properly. There are marking on it, so you can just lock it, and you can just use it. So you can see the trimmer from the top, so it will not hurt or the harm, and then you can see this cuts really well and smoothly. Very nice trimmer, and we used, and you can use this thing to wash it with the water directly, and yep. So it's very great, I will say, for your personal use and handy. You can also use this brush to clean it up or remove any hair anything.